Hey folks, in this video I'll show you how to connect an AirPod with your Samsung phone. AirPods are unmatched in the audio experience, so if you want that experience on your Samsung phone, then all you need to do is just follow some simple steps. So, let's get along with it. First, on your Samsung phone, open the settings, then tap Connections. Tap on Bluetooth. Toggle this on. After that, bring your AirPods closer to your Samsung phone. Make sure that the AirPods are inside the case. After that, open the lid of the case. Now you will need to enable the pairing mode for the AirPod. On some AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold that for a few seconds to start pairing. For this model, I'm holding double tap at the front of the AirPod, right below the place where the green light shows up. Once you double tap, the green light will turn white and start blinking. If it doesn't show up, then close the lid and open it again. After that, double tap the same place again until the green light turns white. With this, the AirPod will now be available on your phone's settings. Just tap on the AirPod on the Bluetooth settings and select Pair. Now you have successfully set up your AirPod with your Samsung phone. From now on, you can simply bring out your AirPods and use them to your liking. So guys, I hope this video helps you out. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more AirPod tips and tricks. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.